next type in differentiation is logarithmic differentiation. Let us start with the questions. Y is equals to x power x. When the function has some power, then we will use logarithmic differentiation. First, what we have to do, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So what we get? Log of y, log of x power x, log of x power a log x, a here is x. So x log of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, so 1 upon y. Derivative of y with respect to x, u into v rule, first function as it is, derivative of log of x, plus second as it is, derivative of x, 1. So what we get, dy upon dx is equals to y into 1 plus log x. What is the value of y? X power x. So here we will write x power x. So this is the answer. Next is y is x power sine of x. Again taking log both on sides, taking log on both sides. What we get? Log of y, x power a. Log of x power a log of x. Here u into v rule, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log y, 1 upon y, dy upon dx. First function as it is, derivative of log of x, 1 upon x, plus second as it is, derivative of sine x is cos of x. Clear? Now this y goes on this side. Y into sine x upon x plus log of x cos of x. Now put the value of y. Y is x power sine x. Sine x upon x plus log of x cos of x. We can solve one step more. This x is in the denominator, so base same hai, and in division then the powers will separate. So we get x power sine x into x power sine x minus 1 plus x power sine of x log of x cos of x. We can write it as this also. Next one is y is equals to sine of x power log of x. Sine of x power log of x. Sine of x power log of x. Power is here, so taking log on both sides. So what we get? Log of x, log of sine x. यही होगा a into log of x. We are using this formula, log of x power m or a, whatever you can say, m of log of x. Clear? Now this as u function, this as v function. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log of y, 1 upon y, dy upon dx. First function as it is, derivative of second, derivative of log, let it as x, derivative of log x, 1 upon x, x is sine of x, so we will have to take the derivative of sine x also, plus second function log of sine x as it is, derivative of log of x, 1 upon x. Clear? So dy upon dx is equals to y into log of x, derivative of sine is cos x upon sine x plus log of sine x upon x. So we can write it as dy upon dx. Put the value of y, sin of x power log of x, cos upon sin is cot, cot of x, log of x plus log of sin x upon x. Note it down. Now next one is y is equals to cos of x power x. Taking log on both sides, what we get? Log of y x log of cos of x. यही मिला हमें. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log y 1 upon y dy upon dx. First function, derivative of second. Derivative of log x 1 upon x. Since this is cos of x, so derivative of cos x plus second as it is. Derivative of x is 1. So what we get? Dy upon dx is equals to y x 1 upon cos x. Derivative of cos is minus of sin x plus log of cos of x. In the next step, put the value of y cos of x power x minus sin upon cos tan x tan of x plus log of cos of x. Next is y is equals to x power root x. Taking log on both sides, we get log of y root x log of x. यही मिला हमें. Now differentiate with respect to x. Log of y, derivative of log is 1 upon y dy upon dx. First function, derivative of log x plus second, derivative of x power 1 by 2. We know 1 upon 2 root of x. Clear? Now dy upon dx y. So what we get? We can take LCM also. We can leave it as this also. Root of a upon a. What we get? 1 upon root a plus 1 upon 2 root x log of x. Next one is y is equals to log of x power sin of x. Taking log on both sides, sin x, then log x. This as v and this as u. First function, derivative of log is 1 upon x. X here is log of x. Now derivative of log of x plus log of log x as it is. Derivative of sin x, that is cos of x. Clear? Now dy upon dx, y उस साइड पे गया, y की वैल्यू पुट करो. Log of x power sin of x. This is sin x upon log of x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus cos of x log x. Next one is y is equals to sin of x power cos of x. Taking log on both sides, log y cos of x into log of sin x. Again u into v rule. Differentiate with respect to x. First function, derivative of log of x 1 upon x. X here is sin x. Now derivative of sin x plus second function log of sin x into derivative of cos x is minus sin of x. We get dy upon dx is equals to y. Put the value of y. Sin x power cos of x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Cos upon sin, cot x into cos x minus sin x log of sin of x. Now the next one, question number 8, y is equals to x power cos inverse x. Taking log on both sides, जब भी हमारे पास वेरिएबल की पावर कोई वेरिएबल है तो हमें टेकिंग लॉग लेके उस डिफरेंशिएट को डेरिवेटिव को सॉल्व करना है. लॉग ऑफ y cos इनवर्स x log of x. अगेन प्रोडक्ट में टू फंक्शंस u एंड v रूल. डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log of y 1 upon y dy upon dx. फर्स्ट फंक्शन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x plus second function derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. यही होता है. So dy upon dx, y goes on the right hand side. Put the value of y, x cos inverse x upon x minus log of x upon square root of 1 minus x square. Next one is y is equals to sin of x power cos inverse x. Sin of x power cos inverse x. Taking log on both sides. What we get? Log of y cos inverse x log of sin x. Again u and v rule. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log of y. First function, derivative of this. Derivative of log is 1 upon x. X here is sin x. Then derivative of sin x plus second function log of sin x. Derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Now dy upon dx, y is sin x power cos inverse x upon sine cot of x cos inverse x minus log of sin x upon square root of 1 minus x square. Note it down. Now the next one, y is equals to x power x power x. Let this x power x has one function, let it be u. Let u is equals to x power x. Then y is equals to x power u. हमने इस फंक्शन को u माने. Now taking log on both sides in both the cases. क्या मिला हमें? log of y u log of x और इस साइड क्या मिला हमें? log of u x log of x. यही मिला. Now differentiate with respect to x. दोनों केसेस में दोनों को हम अलग अलग सॉल्व करेंगे. log y is 1 upon y dy upon dx. First function derivative of log x. Log x derivative of du upon dx. Let this equation as 1 because here we want to find dy upon dx value of du by dx. We are solving this side. Differentiate 1 upon u du upon dx. First derivative of log x derivative of x. So we get 1 plus log of x du upon dx. U goes on right hand side. What is the value of u? X power x. अब हमें du की वैल्यू मिल गई है. So put it in equation 1. We get dy upon dx y into what is the value of u? X power x upon x plus log of x. Du by this is x into x 1 plus log of x. यही था. Now what is the value of y? X power x power x. X power x common. So we are left with 1 upon x plus log of x into 1 plus log of x. So this is the value of dy upon dx. Is there any confusion here? सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया? यहाँ पे हमारे पास पावर एंड देन अगेन पावर इज हियर. तो हमने एक पावर को वेरिएबल को क्या मान लिया? u. देन y is x पावर u. हमारे पास दो टर्म्स हो गई. दोनों को टेकिंग लॉग लेके अलग अलग सॉल्व कीजिए. हमें dy अपॉन dx के लिए du अपॉन dx की वैल्यू चाहिए जो हम इस साइड पे सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. हमें du अपॉन dx की वैल्यू मिल गई. सो पुट दिस वैल्यू इन 1. Then we get the value of dy upon dx. Next one is y is equals to x power x. इस क्वेश्चन को हम 2 मेथड से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नंबर 1 कि हम इस x पावर x को u ले लें तो y क्या हो गया? u पावर x. क्लियर. नंबर 2 अगर x इंटू x करें तो क्या हो गया? x पावर x स्क्वायर. तब भी हमें उसको अलग मेथड से सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा u लेके. तो हम इसी मेथड से इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. log of y x log of u log of u, x log of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log u, 1 upon u du by dx. First derivative of log x, derivative of x. So 1 plus log of x du upon ux dx. U, value of u is x power x. Derivative of log y, 1 upon y dy upon dx. First function, derivative of log u, 1 upon u du by dx. Log u as it is, derivative of x is 1. Now we get dy upon dx. Y is x power x power x. X upon u is x power x. Put the value of du by dx, x power x, 1 plus log of x, plus log of u is x power x. So this x power x will get cancelled. So we get dy by dx, x power x, x into 1 plus log of x. We can write it as x log x also. So this is the value of dy upon dx. Note it down. और अगर हम इसे फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करना चाहें तो वी गेट x log x plus x log x, 2x log x. We can take x common also. X 1 plus 2 log x.